Hi, Afreen. A very good evening. So, my name is Gaurab Roy, and I am a PhD holder in medical sciences. So, along with my PhD, I have more than 6 years of experience, 3 years being in India and 3 years in China. So, so everyone needs to upskill themselves, and so I think for upskilling, when you want to manage your like workspace. So I am from a medical background, so I'm looking for managing my lab or getting into a workspace related to medical industry where I can manage process development or development of a drug candidate. So I need to manage various factors like my team. Uh, Most important being my balance sheet. So I need to learn about the nuances which will help me do this. And for this, I have looked for various opportunities. So various institutes are providing this degree for this, like learning management skill and all. So I thought that XLRI would be a good option for that because I have had exposure to like XRI, not in that I have done some courses from XRI, but I have known XRI for ages because I am from Jamshedpur and I have heard many good things about XRI. I have met people who have done courses from XRI. So I have had that, like, you can tell it the good factor that people always come. They tell, oh, XRI, this is a very good institute. You can opt for it. So hearing from people responses and also after doing some background searches, I have opted for this course from XRI. Till now, the initial impression has been quite good, especially the first module. The first module was like building up leadership qualities. So, this module was taken by Professor Sarangi and Professor Shukla, if I'm not wrong. So, both of them told us like how to build up yourself, like what changes you need to bring in yourself, like how to modify your character, how the most important being like how you can put yourself in other shoes and think from their perspective also, because if you need to manage a team, it's not about, okay, you tell others to do a thing and it should be done. It's about taking everyone's emotion and moving forward as a team. So we were taught like how to respect other feelings, how to build up a team rapport, and what all changes we need to bring about in ourselves, how to build up communication with people. So it was very objective sort of classes, and it was brilliant. I believe Professor Sarangi is a wonderful teacher. And I'm not taking any credit from Professor Shukla, but Professor Sarangi was brilliant in what he taught for those 4 classes he had with us. And later on, and to add it on, we also had like few assignments which were really very helpful. So whatever we are taught, we were taught to apply it in a real world scenario or some hypothetical scenario which were very close to real world scenarios. So those were really beneficial for us. Since now I have got the technical knowledge which I need to apply in my work field. So right now I was looking for some managerial skill because I believe that it is a synergy between the technical skills and the managerial skills which will help me develop and improve and like climb up the hierarchy in whatever role I am looking at. So I think in short term, I am looking for managing a lab or looking for some managerial roles in companies like some medical science companies, like you can tell Bharat Biotech or Cipla or something like that. So I believe that learning the nuances of management along with my technical skills which I possess and building up on my technical skills will greatly help me in achieving those goals. See, right now, envisioning the future, it's a very tricky question to be very to be telling you, because this is a continuous learning process. But with this program, I believe I will have a better foothold in a service-based industry, which is India specifically. So, with the managerial skills or the knowledge which I gained from this course will greatly help me in building a team. And after building a team, we can look for an envisioned future which my company demands, or which I have thought like I would like to take my team towards it. So I think this program will be greatly beneficial to me, as it will like empower me with the knowledge to build up a team. And then it starts from building a team. So building a team, then building a company, it starts from there. So I think this will be the first step for transition from a technical field to a managerial role. Oh, definitely. Because our professors continuously motivate us to do things. Second is, even after sharing the information, even after sharing the assignments, so the assignments are being discussed thoroughly after they are being given. And the third is, the professors are also providing us with their contact numbers and emails. So if anything we miss during the class or anything we cannot get hold of, so they encourage us, okay, just give them a call. They will answer it back. And they are kind enough that they are very courteous and generous to tell us that even if they do not receive our call, they will definitely call us back. And I believe many of our friends already have taken the advantage of it. They had cleared their doubts and had one-on-one discussion with the professors.